In today's video, I wanted to share how you can take your existing knowledge and expertise and turn that into multiple streams of income. So I'm going to go through your different options in terms of what products you can sell. And then at the end, I'm going to share my recommendation for what I think you should do. All right, so the first type of product you could sell is one-on-one coaching. So this is where you are helping someone on an individual basis achieve a particular result. Now, this is a fantastic way to get started because it doesn't require many clients at all in order for it to make a significant impact on your income. And because it is such personalized attention, then you can sell this at a premium. So often you'll see that people get started with this one for that reason. The next product you can create, which often follows one-on-one coaching, is a group coaching program. So generally the way this works is you will have a set number of weeks where you are walking an entire group through achieving a transformation. So often this will be 6, 8, or 12 weeks, and you will every single week show up and do a coaching call, but this time with a group of people, and you are walking them through week by week what they should be doing in order to achieve a result. This is fantastic, and again, a more premium product. Now, with both the one-on-one coaching and the group coaching, the issue here is you are going to have limits in terms of how many people you can help with this type of offer. I had a friend that was doing a lot of one-on-one coaching, and she was making a ton of money with this offer, which is great. However, she was spending 8 hours per day on Zoom, okay? And if you're like me, that is just way too much time on Zoom. That is way too exhausting. So you are going to experience some limits with these type of offerings. This leads me to my favorite type of product, which is online courses. So for me, this really checked a lot of boxes. It allowed me to help lots of people while removing the limitations that the coaching offers give you. So being able to help lots of people and not have any limits on how many I could sell felt really expansive for me and felt exactly like the type of product that I wanted to create. Plus, what this does is take your calendar from being full with calls to having next to none. For introverts like me, this is great. And there's lots of different ways that you could format your course. You could choose to pre-record videos and have a course area where your students log in and watch all of your trainings. This is generally the way I do it, but I've also done live courses before where someone joins, there's a set start and end date, and every single week they receive some content from me. That's one way. You could also do a live course. So it's similar to group coaching, but instead of it being a coaching experience, it's more so where you are teaching live content every single week. And with all of these offers, there's actually quite a few different ways that it can look. Just remember, it's your business and you can do it your way. Next, we have a membership. So this is where people are joining a community. They are working towards a specific goal, but it's something that is more ongoing. And you as a creator provide resources or support every single month so that people stick with you and are paying on an ongoing basis. This can be fantastic. And if you are a community-driven person, you may really love this one. However, I will say it can be difficult in terms of lacking structure and having people stay in your membership. So it can sound like it is the ultimate solution for recurring revenue, but just like with all these offers, it comes with its own challenges as well. Next, we have digital product. So by this, I mean a PDF, a template, a checklist, a set or resource that doesn't require any additional support. It's just somebody purchasing a specific resource that you've created. So obviously, there's so many different ways that you can monetize your knowledge and expertise, which is just incredible. Here's what I would recommend. I recommend that you have multiple income streams as an online business owner. Do not feel like you only need to have one and scale it to $1 million. That was advice that was given a lot when I was building up my online business. But I think considering that visibility and traffic is the number one struggle for most entrepreneurs, I think it is a lot smarter for you to have multiple different income streams, multiple different ways of you serving your audience. So here's the exact setup that I would recommend. I recommend that you center your business around online courses. They are a fantastic offering for so many reasons. They're going to allow you to charge a higher price point while also having a deeper impact on your customers and no limit on how many you could sell. So absolutely love this. Think of this as your core product. Then I recommend you have a VIP tier. So you can absolutely do one-on-one coaching or a higher level group coaching experience, but think of that as a premium and your price should reflect it. In addition, an option here that you could have is a back-end membership. So when someone comes into your course, they are going to be working towards a specific result, which is fantastic. If they want deeper support, if they want support from you, you can offer them a back-end membership that is only available to students who first join your course. And finally, I do recommend that you have a low-ticket digital product, but it's not what you think. It's not what I expect to be a huge moneymaker for you, but I do expect it to be part of your overall funnel and help drive sales of your higher priced offerings. So for example, for me, I'm developing a low-ticket product, but the reason I'm doing that is to help me grow my audience through ads and be able to cover the cost of ads immediately. So often when you see people have lower ticket products, it's often that they're not making their money from that specific product. It's fitting into their overall suite and helping them make profit through their other higher ticket items. The reason is because in order to make a significant impact on your revenue with a low ticket product, you have to sell a lot of volume, right? So that could be really difficult if you are just getting started. I absolutely wouldn't recommend that as your core product, but it can be a piece of it. And generally, it's going to be something that you tackle when you are more advanced, right? So you create that lower ticket product, you're running Facebook ads to it, and then you are selling your courses, coaching offers, things like that afterwards. So think of it as a piece of your product suite, but not the major moneymaker. Now, obviously, you need to get in front of people in order to actually sell your products. So the way that I recommend you do this is through YouTube. I think it is a phenomenal platform for online business owners. And here's the benefit. It is also, once you become monetized, it's also going to be its own income stream. So that's another income stream that we can add to our list. And one more, I also think that you should get into affiliate marketing, because as you are using YouTube and as you are building your audience, you're naturally going to be recommending products that have had a positive impact on your life. So there is another way that you can monetize what you're doing. So we have YouTube to drive traffic and build your audience, which you will then get paid for once your channel gets monetized. You're going to earn from affiliate income by just sharing links from your YouTube videos to products that have had a positive impact on your life. Then you're going to have a low ticket product to help you build your audience. You're going to have courses as your core product. And then if you want, you can monetize further with coaching as a VIP tier or a follow-up membership. So clearly the options are endless. You have so many different ways for you to make money from what you know right now. Now you just have to get to work and make it happen. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you are excited to create multiple income streams in your business. Let me know any questions in the comments down below, and I'll see you real soon with another video. Bye.